Welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to start a group video call or online meeting on Discord. So unlike any other messenger apps, like for instance like WhatsApp, Messenger, and then Telegram, you can find your friend, and then you can easily invite him into the video call or call. But unlike all of those, Discord has different way. First of all, you have to send a request for a particular person you want to call. As you can see, I have to add friend request to this man if I want to do a voice call or video call. And then you for the video call, add the person only has one person. I mean, the method I show you is not the online meeting or more than one person. And then for the online meeting, what you have to do, you go to your servers, and then commonly on the channels on the left tab here, commonly on the down below is a voice channel. That's the video call channels. You have to enter that one. You just enter the channels that icon, like speaker like that, and then you can enter this one, and then you can join voice, and then you ask your friend to join the same channel. On inside the channel, you're able to share your screen and then show your face, show your camera, etc., like Zoom meeting, etc. It's really easy. Okay, that's it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.